But you made this turn before, though. You got it.
I need to go slow.
Still, yeah, you still need to go slow. Whoa. Nice, nice.
Whoa.
We got it, Tim.
Dad, I didn't like that turn. It almost made me fall.
It's all right. But you didn't fall, and you got better on your balancing, right?
I bent it. Right or forwards?
We're gonna go up to that yellow crosswalk.
Okay.
Kind of.
I can't remember.
Hey, we did a bunch of rides. Skirt.
Let's stay in front of you.
Go ahead. Why don't you stay on the sidewalk, buddy? It's farther from the street. Hey, when they say living in a what world? What is it?
Living in an odd world.
Oh, it's an odd world. Living in an odd world.
Living in an odd world. One night go back to back. Living in an odd world.
Awesome.
Do I take the first 10?
Yeah? Yes.
Okay. Eat the first. Excuse us. That was a pretty sharp. Excuse us.
You know, Apollo,
What?
right here, go off the sidewalk. Off the curb right here, watch, I'll show you. Follow me, okay?
You want to get off the curb here? Oh, that was a...
Just follow me. There's cars here, so just watch them.
I'm more to the side. Good. Because that's...
Okay, look it. Now follow me. Follow me.
the wrong way. We're in the middle of the street.
Yeah, but I made sure we were safe. Get up on this curb.
Do I get in front of you or stay?
You stay right there.
Whee!
All right, try it again.
Ow.
Climb up the slide. You okay, Tim?
Whoa.
Get up there.
What you have to do, look at
Oh.
ow. Is you do this.
Oh. Go, Tan, go. Hustle, hustle. Yeah. Now go down together, go down together. Bruh.
Bruh. Children that way. Slow. Hey, I'm not slow.
Remember, Apollo, if you're next to brother or right behind him, you'll be in the video too. Yeah.
Waiting for me. Dad, was I in the video a lot? Wow.
Video on the way to start. Okay, stay behind me, Apollo.
Hello. Wow.
And we're getting up right here. Boom. Good job, everyone. That wasn't me. Yeah, but that wasn't me.
It was not me. Actually, it was. I fart at school and I fart on my friends. Ow!
Nice and slow right here, Apollo. Nice and slow.
Skirt.
Nice job. Follow me. Stay right here. Right here. Right behind me.
Am I right behind you?
Yep, good job.
Oh, they come.
Okay, now follow me. This way. Right behind me?
Yeah.
Alright, and we're going to get up right here.
Right to the side. Right to the side. Oh, and they went out the box.
Nice. Woohoo! Yahoo!
How do you sound just like that? Yeah. Boop.
And we're home.